Hello everyone, welcome to Proof of Concept channel. As part of POC today, we are going to see the load testing using Locust in 3 steps. This is very simple video. So we have only 3 steps to perform the load testing. Step 1, Locust installation, and then step 2, creating the locustfile.py, and then running the Locust command in the terminal. Let's see one by one. For the step 1, we need to install locust file. So we are going to use this pip3 install locust. Let me open my project. In the terminal, just type pip3 install locust. That's it. So if you see here, it's a requirement already satisfied because I already installed. So if you don't install, just use this command and install this. This is the step 1. For the step 2, we need to create a locust.py file with this code. So I'm going to show how do we need to create and call this API. So I have here, so in the project path, just to create this file locust.py and just put this code. We need a library, importing the library, and then the class, and only one load test cases. This is just calling my hello world program. So this is an API. This is calling hello world API. And then for the third step, we need to run the locust. So we are going to use this locust command. Before doing that, we may need to run our API. Let me show you how do we run our APIs using the Flask application. So this is my simple API, the hello world. So I'm going to just run this. Okay, so this is up and running right now. And let me show in the Postman how this request look like. Just fire it here, and you see I'm getting the hello world. So now I'm going to perform the locust based load testing for this API. Just type locust. That's it. So if you see here, the locust based web interface is opening with this HTTP localhost. Just click here and then go type HTTP /localhost. That's it. So now we got the locust UI interface. Here we need to provide our API endpoint and run the load testing. So our API is running here. So I'm just using this endpoint and start swarming it. So maybe I'll use 3 users. That's it. Now our load testing is running. You see the total number of requests per second. We are seeing that around 750, and the response time is around 3 seconds, and number of users I given 3. So we are seeing that 3 users are running right now. Yeah, that's it. Let me stop it. Okay, I stopped it, and then we can see the report also. So if you see here, yeah, this is the report. See, we can see that our hello world been executed more than 30,000 times, and the milliseconds. So average milliseconds is 3, and the total number of requests per second, response times, all the details we can see here. And if you see our API, we could see like it's been called multiple times. Yeah, so this is the log. It's showing that our API has been called multiple times. So that's it. Like, so the load testing we did just within 3 steps. So the first step, just installation and then creating the locust.py file and then running the command locust. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. This is very simple, and using the Python library doing the locust based load testing, you can just reuse this. I'll give this all the details in the description as well as the comments below. Thank you.